to higher inflation. What are the implications with that, Tom?
Well, to your really, really important point, which is literally a double negative, if we do not get higher inflation, what does it mean? And again, I go back to a concept of an hour ago or so. There's an ambiguity here. If we undershoot the gloom of inflation, it can cut both ways. I think people would say it's better.
911, what's the location of your emergency?
It would be at 5th and Maple, right off of I-90.
Okay, are you reporting a fire, sir?
I am.
Okay, we do have multiple reports of that in the area. We have let the fire department know. Thank you for giving us a call.
All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
Equities is a general statement, Lisa, but that's not certain.
Yeah, I will just say, though, that James Sweeney, there was an important point there. He said there probably has never been the same disparity
morons. That's
between
why we
people's
weren't in that
experience
fucking
when they go to
lane.
the grocery store, when they go to a used car lot, and how high the sticker price is versus the official metrics of inflation. The fact that we have not seen those pick up nearly as much. And he was talking about the services aspect of that. What happened?
PIMCO and Mr. Rubenstein, who is familiar to the show. Let's listen with our Eric Shetzker.